Hello, hi. Since we have already completed the general account and thallus structure details of Chlamydomonas, let us move on to the reproductive mechanism of Chlamydomonas algae. First of all, let us see what are the different types of reproduction available. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction and its types we will see in a different lecture. Today we will see the reproductive mechanism in Chlamydomonas when favorable circumstances are there. That is, during the spring and summer season, when sufficient light, water, nutrients are available, Chlamydomonas will be undergoing asexual reproduction, and the types of or mechanisms or methods of asexual reproduction are reproduction through zoospores, asexual reproduction through eplanospores, then reproduction through palmella stage, then reproduction through hypnospores. Let us see one by one. Asexual reproduction through zoospores. You can see that this was a normal mature thallus. During the time of asexual reproduction through zoospores, it will first undergo some modification. First, it will lose its flagella to become like this. Then it will lose its contractile vacuoles. Okay, now it has removed contractile vacuoles. Now what will happen is that its protoplasm, this green colored protoplasm, will detach from the cell wall. You can see a gap between cell wall and protoplasm. Now this particular protoplast will undergo a longitudinal division. First, you can see like divided into two. Then at 90 degrees to the existing division, it will divide further. So it created 4. Then it will further divide up to around 16 or more such divided protoplasts. And now what will happen is that to this protoplast some modification will happen. Okay, it will be slowly developing flagella, then contractile vacuoles, then finally the parent cell disintegrate and the zoospores will be released, and these zoospores will be maturing into a thallus structure like a parent. So this is all about asexual reproduction by zoospores. And to add one point, this particular parent thallus may produce around 20,000 such zoospores per week. Okay. Now asexual reproduction by hypnospores. This is very simple. During the unfavorable circumstances, maybe even during the spring and summer season, there can be situations where droughts are happening without rain, sufficient water is not there in that particular water body, etc. In that circumstances, the protoplast, after dividing, after undergoing such a division, the protoplast will develop a thick wall around itself. Okay, and that particular, after development of that particular wall, it may look like this. Okay, it is actually spherical or ovoid shape. It has developed a thick wall around itself. Now it is called a hypnospore. It is seen in the Chlamydomonas species like Chlamydomonas nivalis to overcome the unfavorable situations. Then during the time of favorable conditions, this particular hypnospore will be developed into a new thallus of Chlamydomonas by developing flagella, vacuole, etc. So this is all about hypnospore development and the mode of asexual reproduction through that mode. Now coming to the final type of asexual reproduction, that is palmella stage. What will happen is that, consider this as a normal thallus. This large outer line I am telling, the outside circle I am telling, this was a parent thalli. It has initially divided into several protoplasts. This outside circle, I mean like outside the large circle, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside circles, right? These inside circles were also green colored protoplasts. Initially this kind of division happened. Then again it has subdivided into daughter colonies within this particular initial divisions. So you can see hundreds and thousands of such cells within one parent thalli. Okay, what will happen is that this parent cell will be secreting some gelatinous matrix to protect the daughter colonies, and these daughter colonies will themselves secrete gelatinous matrix to protect their daughter colonies. So it will be an entirely mucilaginous matrix, and within that all these particular daughter cells will be protected. You can see that this is a mucilaginous sheath. Within that you can see daughter colonies and their mucilaginous sheath, and when the time comes, all of these will be developing flagella, contractile vacuoles, etc., and they will be releasing outside of the parent body by the disintegration of the parent thalli. Now I have given the note of palmella stage here as well. So it's all about the asexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas. Very easy topic. Just practice the diagrams. These are very easy to draw diagrams. and each and every diagrams are easy to spot. Just draw the Chlamydomonas body, just draw a spherical ovoid structure, mark it as hypnospore. Then asexual reproduction under Chlamydomonas we already discussed, hypnospore. Then by zoospores also, okay, just know the circle or the flowchart form of procedure of things you will be done. So this is all about the reproduction, asexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas. In the upcoming session we will see the sexual reproduction and its mechanisms in Chlamydomonas. Thank you.